My friends, AWS credits can help reduce cloud costs, but they do not solve the bigger problem. Teams still need to understand how fast those credits are being used, how infrastructure changes affect future spending, and what happens when the credits eventually run out. My name is Daniel, and today we're looking at Archera AI. This platform helps companies forecast cloud costs, model different spending scenarios, track credit consumption, and plan infrastructure decisions with more confidence. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Alright, let's get started. Is Archera AI is a cloud cost forecasting and optimization platform. It is designed for companies using cloud providers like AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud. The platform connects to your cloud billing data and helps teams understand where money is going, where savings may be possible, and how future costs could change. Instead of only showing what was already spent, Archera focuses on cost visibility, savings analysis, credits, commitments, and future planning. Folks, this can be useful for FinOps and DevOps teams, as well as engineering managers. It's also a great fit for startups and larger companies that need better control over cloud spending. The main idea is simple. AWS can show you the bill, but Archera helps you understand what the bill means, how to optimize it, and what might happen next. Alright guys, let's see how the setup works in practice. The workflow starts with onboarding. First, Archera asks me to choose a cloud provider. Here I can connect to Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, or Google Cloud Platform. For this demo, I chose AWS. After selecting it, the platform moves into the setup process for the AWS master billing account. This is where Archera asks for the account ID. It also explains that it will generate an IAM role, which allows the platform to query current and historical cost and usage data. Then I select the permission level. In this case, the recommended option is commitment management, which gives Archera the access it needs for the full savings and commitment analysis. Mates, after that I choose the install method. The recommended option here is CloudFormation, because it can create the required IAM role through a guided setup instead of doing everything manually. Once I continue, the workflow moves into the CloudFormation. Here we can see the Archera stack being prepared. This is the part that creates the connection between AWS and Archera. The goal is not to control the infrastructure itself. The goal is to give Archera secure access to the billing, usage, and cost data it needs for analysis. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. After the CloudFormation setup, I return to Archera, and the onboarding continues through the remaining connection steps. The platform checks the main billing account and verifies that cost reporting is connected properly. These steps are important because the platform needs detailed cost data, not just a simple billing total. My friends, this is where the setup becomes more than just connecting an account. Archera is preparing a full cost visibility layer, so it can analyze spending patterns and identify savings opportunities across the cloud environment. If the cost and usage report is not already configured, Archera can help generate it. This report is one of the key data sources for understanding detailed cloud usage and cost history. Once these steps are completed, the onboarding screen shows that the process is finished. At this point, Archera begins processing the connected data and preparing the immediate savings analysis. According to the platform, the analysis will be sent by email within 24 to 48 hours. Folks, after that, you can also take a few optional next steps, like enabling additional features or adding sub-accounts. And if your company uses more than one provider, you can set up another cloud integration too. So the full workflow is clear. You connect the cloud provider, give Archera access to billing and usage data, complete the AWS integration, and then wait for the savings analysis. Within 24 to 48 hours, the team receives an initial cost review with potential optimization opportunities based on the connected cloud environment. So guys, here is the bottom line. Archera AI is not a hosting tool and not a regular cloud dashboard. It is a cost intelligence platform that helps teams understand cloud spending, and find ways to optimize it. The onboarding process is built around connecting real billing and usage data, so the platform can prepare a more accurate savings analysis instead of giving generic recommendations. Folks, if your company uses AWS credits, reserved instances, savings plans, or multiple cloud accounts, Archera can help make those decisions easier to plan. It gives teams a clearer view of cloud costs before they become a bigger budget problem. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, until next time.